Welcome to the Daily Message. My dad was a man of few words, but when he spoke, we usually listened and paid attention. And my dad had a lot of little sayings about this, that, or the other thing. And one of his sayings was, if you can't say anything nice, don't say anything. And for a long time, I followed my dad's advice. And if I couldn't think of anything nice to say, I would not say anything. But I've come to learn over the years that there are times when my dad's advice was wrong. There are times when I have had to speak up and say things not because they were nice, but because they were the right thing and because they needed to be said. And I have become more and more of the belief that those not nice things can be moments of God's grace as much as the nice things. And so there are times when it's important for us, in order to be grace, to stand up for what is right, to go the extra mile, to do something that's inconvenient, to do something that might even make us unpopular. And so that's my call for reflection today, that we think about those ways in which we might be able to stretch ourselves, in which we might be able to tap into those well springs of God's grace within us that will enable us to do the things that are right, even if they may not be nice. Thank you again for listening, and I hope you have a great weekend.